College of course.
Maybe not.
How is it? Wala ka man mag-roll ang camera. So all these things, guys, these are basic questions that will somehow give the source enough space and time and somehow be confident to talk to you. Okay? So take a story as a story. Lika, could you please take the mic to these tools? And then a cameraman, etc. Okay? So shall we start now? Rita, shall we start?
Ma'am.
Why do you say that you're a rape victim? In other words, especially if the issue is very sensitive, okay? So then ako hindi kami na bahala na. Yeah, because it's an up interview. In other words, or that the person agreed to talk to me or to be interviewed.
Lord, can I come and collect the
because the tendency, I was asked directly like, what do you say you're a rape victim? Dahil diretso ka, naka-tendency, siya won't tell you the truth. Hindi ba siya confident mo sabihin? Okay? Unlike it, sana pa ako, what's your childhood? Gusto tayo na bata pa ako, no kidding. In other words, na kay rapport yung established between you, the reporter, and the source. I don't think so. So whether it's a setup, I mean, whether they're going to talk to the personality before the interview proper, take them. And how many laman sir? Okay. Any, are you the first answer? Okay, so ang tendency is, like for example, if the source would be answering questions, you must know when to cut the source. Okay, like for example, sexual education story. So going back to the particular answer, something like that. Or can you please tell me what really happened? Okay, ayaw paghandong as a reporter to cut the interview. Because in most cases, yung mga interviewee, nasa tendency kaya patasan pabayan ito si. Especially, hindi pa siya na naka-anad mo tumang o camera. Okay? So, mo siya i-guide, then siya mga times yung i-cut, may mga times yung siya i-remind you, hey, this is the question, and you're answering the question, but there's a better way of saying it. Like, Mom, I have to repeat the question. Would it be okay to ask you again? What do you think you're raising? So, in other words, hindi mo na ibalik ang kawalan. Especially, hindi siya mo tumagumay. Okay? If you're on TV, guys, importante kayo ang face camera. In as much as possible, importante sa kayo unsay padulungan sa mong interview. So that every time nga mo magsigili siya kubang sa mukha, ikaw mismo ang reporter, kinahanglan na half listening lang sa saya. Not all the time na minaw ka niya. Ano ba? Ang tendency, maminaw ka niya, paakbigin na siya istorya, mag-lisod ka at makalagita mo pala mo question. Pero while nasige siya istorya karon, half of me is listening to him. The other half is now formulating the follow-up question. So naman ang tendency nga, once na nag-interview ka, hindi na siya kinanglan nga na may notes. Okay? Like for example, rape victim siya. The basic question is, why do you say you're a rape victim? You should explain it to you. And yung palang question would happen getting from that particular story or that particular testimony na gihatag mo. In other words, mo na mong guide sa mong next question. Then you don't need to story man. Okay, the technique now is get the follow-up question based on what he said. You get me? Okay? Another point is, ang TV is so fast. In other words, it's as much as possible compact na tubag. After 4 or 3 questions, kung parang di mo enough na istorya, stop the interview. But never let him stand. Okay? Kalangka, etc. Sige pa ang storya, sige pa ang storya. Because that's a point in which the cameraman will move to get so many angles of the two of you talking. Kapag ka sa TV, mga long shots kayo, na kayo mga close-up shots, na kayo angle dito, etc. That's the moment na magawas ang cameraman pa siya another angle of the two of you talking. Okay? So in other words, ang tendency ng to is, after sa interview, is not a tendency na, humana, it's done. No, it's not. Once ka humana ng interview, never stand the interview on air. Off the camera, etc. Anytime, kung na may problema o gusto pang i-book-yag, etc. Tell me my number, na ikaw lang pagkakas namin. Okay? So na kayo na establish na rapport. So, ang sarang ito, okay rin mong buwan. Yung mo bilang ipag-feel at ease sa tayo mo. Because who knows, after how many days, makapatay na siyang tao, nalakad dito, mabalik ka, so pwede hindi siya mabalik. Kaya naman kayo, nanon siya confidence mo. Did you get it? So ayaw pag una na ang ibang source is kutobralihan. You must publish a good report sa yung source, pero it must be on cam. Did you get it?
Yes.
Kina mag-publish ka ng friendship, etc. Kutobra sabihin ha, ikaw pwede mo i-see nga. Ikaw na ka. Or actually, yan ako. Hindi na mayo, di ba? So, it is possible na kayo professional na relationship sa mong source with someone. Okay? Question? Question? Hindi ka? Thank you so much.
Nag-shock